Kanta ako paano magkanta, ha? Right, let's blend the song in 1, 2, 3, go. You are the reason that He gave His life. You are the reason that He suffered and died. For the world that was lost, He gave all His good things. For you are the reason to live. Okay. Kulang kagyapon sa energy, Beb. Hindi sa namin wala gyapon ga ka igo ang mga notes. Ang imo alto gyapon problema until now. Pila ko na ginambal sa imo. Alto mo hindi mo ga ka hit. Sa G clef dapat sa before mag first stanza pa lang, before ka mag alto, ga flat ka. Di nami. Kay ikaw luya, bala kong kisa ga kanta ka, ti ako ga salbar sa imo kung paano magparami. Siyempre, salbaron, tayo kang salbaron, ti kabalo, kaya tingog ko nami. Ti paano na na? Okay. So, that He gave His life. Ikaw, be?
Paano?
That He, ay ikaw, kaya dapat alto.
That He gave His life.
Liwat.
That He gave His life.
See? Hindi amo.
Ay, hindi na mo.
Halaw ay.
Paano ganun, diba?
That He gave His life. Simplihan. Pero nami, ako niya tanong. That He gave His life. Na. Diba? Simple. Hindi siya dapat. Hindi mo siya pag-anan.
Okay.
Hindi siya overacting. Hindi siya namin pamatian. Kapin pag-orchestra ka, balakag kung kanta, a cappella ka, mabatian ang imo curve, concave, convex, laway, hindi siya nami.
Okay.
So, you are the, kumagamo ko na ganun, you are the reason that He gave His life. Ikaw, be?
You are the reason
Hindi
that
na,
He
kalaw.
gave His life.
Start pa lang. Start kulang.
Ay, paano, good man?
You are the reason that He gave His life. Ang kakita ka ng life. Di what? Nubo. Life. Ay, kung ang life, di ba? Ang life, nabuhay ka, mapatay ka diretso. But life. Ikaw man, be?
Life.
Very. Okay, hello, ay, hindi pa that He gave His life. Dapat,
Hindi ka napatay, bay?
Hindi ka pa naog lang. Hindi siya that He gave His life. Ikaw naman.
That He gave His life.
Okay. You are the reason that He gave His life. Oh, soprano. Kaya hindi mo na makuha. Kaya nabudlayan ka. Ano? Siguro soprano. Go.
Hindi na ako balo.
Sige na. Tuduan ta ka. You. Go. Sunod sa akon. One. Nami. You are the reason. Okay. Alto ka lang. Sige, alto. Or bass ka. 1, 2, 3, go.
You are the reason.
Nami. Nami. Ang mo gitingogin.
Wala pa rin sa tingin ko siya.
Hindi pagpariusa. Kay ako yung nag-music school, kuya ya. Before ko yung
Doon nagparaw sa Simo Music School na.
Hindi Ako yung that He gave His life. Okay. Liwat. Reality. Yung blending. Last na lang git kay Ayanta. 1, 2, 3, go. Alto nami 1, 2, 3, go. You are the reason
that
He gave His life. You are the... Stop.
Ay.
Datonta. Kinanlan mo na practice. Hindi ka mag-inom water nga cold.
Okay.
Candy, avoid mo man. Ang imo lang yun subong is ang guacamole, ang lettuce, kag ang French onions. Ang anay. Okay. Budlay siya tuluan. Siya dami tingog. So, Until next time.